Guys, it's a smart home helper, and today we're going to be programming the Delc. So I'm going to be walking you through the steps here on how to do it. The first video I showed you guys on how to install this lock, but this video is going to be all about programming and getting set up on the app. So let me go ahead and walk you through the steps. All right, so you're going to go ahead and load up that Delc app. You're going to download that. From here, you're going to hit the sign up tab. You're going to put your email in and your password and go ahead and get signed up with an account. That'll be the first step. All right, so we'll go ahead and hit that add device button. From here, you're gonna make sure that the lock is installed, which we did from our previous video. And then you're gonna go ahead and tap the lock, make sure that it's on. And when you do that, you're gonna go ahead and go really close to the actual lock, and it'll start to sync. So you'll make sure that the battery is on, and it'll start the syncing process. You'll see the lock starting to move as you're going through that. It'll ask you for a passcode as the next step. So this will be the first initial code that you'll be putting on your actual lock. From here, you can't do 1, 2, 3, 4, just so you know. That's something that I tried and it did not work. So I put a base code in here. And then the next thing it's gonna start to ask for is your Wi-Fi. So you'll go ahead and type in that Wi-Fi. And then from here, that's the last step, and then your lock is going to get synced up. So after this, I'll go ahead and start walking through some of the additional steps that you need to do that are pretty cool with this lock. But let me know if this video is helpful in walking through this. I think this is a pretty simple lock to go ahead and set up. You can see my Wi-Fi signal's weak, but that's okay. I'm in a room right now that doesn't have the best Wi-Fi, but it's still working pretty good when I've tested it out. How you program the Delc. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we'll be creating more videos on this lock to show you how to factory reset and give you a bunch of other things. So thanks for watching, guys.